Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make histogram with multiple bars in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make the histogram with multiple bars. At first, select data, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the insert menu. Now I am select the recommended chart option, then go to the all chart. Now I am select the combo chart, then select the series 1 and select the histogram. Otherwise, at first select the histogram chart. We can see here the multiple bar histogram Pareto chart. Now I am select OK option. You can change the color, style, etc. Select the chart and go to the color option and change the color. You can change the style or rename the title. Now I am select the title and rename this. Now we can see we make a histogram chart with multiple bar easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.